today we will move on to our next topic, that is the types of chemical reaction. Okay, as I told in the last class while I was discussing the chemical equations, that time already I said that don't worry about the chemical equations, we will move on to the chemical equation one by one step. Okay, so here today we will read about the types of chemical reaction, then I will teach you how to write a chemical equation. Okay, so let us start. What all are the types of chemical equation? So or chemical reaction. So if you will talk about the different chemical reaction, there are actually several different types of chemical reactions. What are the different types? We can say it is a combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction. There are so many chemical reactions that we will read one by one, but in today's class we will read about the combination reaction and the decomposition reaction, because for your class 7 in your book only 2 reactions are given, and as you are the beginners for the chemical equations, that's why these 2 reactions, these 2 types of reactions are very much essential for you. Okay, rest all types of reaction you will have gradually in your higher class. Okay, so today we will learn about the 2 most important types of chemical reaction, that are combination reaction and decomposition reaction. So let us start it one by one. Combination reaction, the name itself it suggests. What is combination reaction? When 2 reactants combine to form a new product. Okay, so suppose if I will write here one example, like if I will write A plus B gives rise to AB. Okay, so here if we will talk about the example, just a simple example I am giving. Suppose A is a reactant and B is a reactant. Both the reactant they will combine to form a new product. It is known as a what? Combination reaction. Combination means to unite, to combine, but they will form a new product. AB is a new product. Okay, so here combination reaction is nothing but the combination of or the union of 2 reactants to form a new product. We can also name it a synthetic reaction or synthesis reaction, because here new product is synthesized. Okay, it is formed. That's why we can also name it as synthesized reaction. Okay, so let us discuss some more examples, some more equations related to combination reaction, so that you will be more clear about the topic. So the first example we will discuss, formation of magnesium oxide. Here by seeing magnesium oxide we can write the reactants. What all may be the reactant? Obviously magnesium and oxygen. So magnesium and oxygen they will combine to form magnesium oxide. Okay. Got it? Here I have written the equation for the formation of magnesium oxide, and here you can see magnesium and oxygen are the 2 reactants. As here I have written A plus B, A is a reactant, B is a reactant, to form a new product AB. Like that magnesium and oxygen they will combine to each other to form magnesium oxide. Here you can see 2 reactants combine to form a new product. That's why it is a what? Combination reaction. Next we can see formation of ammonia. Already we have discussed that there. What is the equation for formation of ammonia? I hope you all are with your pen and notebook. Okay, while I am discussing it, try to solve it by your own. Be with your rough notebook and pen. While I am discussing one by one equation, try to solve it. Okay, so formation of ammonia. Formation of ammonia, we can write the equation for it. Okay, nitrogen and hydrogen, when they will combine, they will form a product ammonia. Here nitrogen is a reactant, hydrogen is a reactant. Both the reactant combine to form ammonia in the presence of what? If you all have iron as a catalyst. Remember in our last discussion we have done, iron plays here or act as a catalyst. What is catalyst? A substance which will speed up the chemical reaction. Okay, so here nitrogen and hydrogen in presence of iron as a catalyst, and also remember in high temperature and pressure. Of course we will discuss about the formation of ammonia later on in last chapter. So here we can see two reactants, nitrogen and hydrogen, in presence of iron as a catalyst and high temperature and pressure, they will form what? Ammonia. Next, formation of iron sulfide. This one also we have done, I think. Okay, iron and sulfur, they will combine to form iron sulfide. Okay, so these all are some of the combination reaction. Already these all given in your book, that's why I have discussed these examples only. You can take some more examples like hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. This is a very simple example. Sodium and chlorine combines to form sodium chloride. This is also very simple. So any reactants, those who all will combine to form a new product, that kind of reaction is known as combination reaction. There the reactants are combining. So you can find some more equations by yourself. Okay, it's your homework, okay, to find out 5 more new different types of combination reaction. Okay, just do it and send it to me. So here I hope you all are now clear about the combination reaction. Combination, the simple meaning of combination is to combine. Okay, next, decomposition reaction. It is also another important types of reaction. Decomposition reaction means here a single reactant will split or divide to form two elements. Like here if you will talk about the example AB will give rise to A plus B. Got it? In decomposition reaction, just reverse to the combination reaction. Here a single reactant. See here we cannot say it as a product because products always they will be towards this side. Okay, when I will teach you about chemical equation, that at that time I will tell you about reactants and products more details. So here this is a single reactant. As I said, reactants may be 1, maybe 2, maybe more than 2. Products may be 1, maybe 2, maybe more than 2. Okay, so here this is a single reactant, and this single reactant in any condition like heat or pressure, in any of the condition it will split and it will form two of the components. See here the most important thing, this side the product which will be formed, we cannot say properly product what is not exactly justified for it because we are using the name product for the formation of new substance. Here no synthesis occurs. What I am saying, just listen to it carefully. Here synthesis of new product is taking place, but here no synthesis of new product is taking place. That's why this one is known as the synthesis reaction. But here you can see A suppose is an element and B is an element. They combine to form this reactant, and this reactant when it will split, it will split to its respective element only. It will not split to C and D because it will not split to C and D because C and D are not the constituent of A and B. Got it? So when we are talking about decomposition reaction means here the splitting of reactants takes place and the formed product, or we can say the formed one, will be the elements of the same reactant only. Got it? So let us discuss the examples, then you will have more clear idea about decomposition reaction. So first example we can talk about electrolysis. Already we have discussed in our last class. If you all have remembered, what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the breaking down of water. When water is subjected to electricity, then it breaks and it forms hydrogen and oxygen. This is known as electrolysis. So here we can write the equation. Okay, water when it splits, when it is subjected to electricity. Okay, water when subjected to electricity, it splits and it forms hydrogen and oxygen. Remember what I said? Hydrogen and oxygen are the elements of water only. So here, when water undergo decomposition reaction, it splits into its respective element only. It will not split into sodium and chlorine. Got it? What I said here. So this is about the decomposition reaction. Next, heating of limestone. If you all have remembered what is limestone, the chemical formula of limestone, if you all have remembered, what you write by your own? Calcium carbonate. CaCO3 is the formula for limestone. So here we can write the equation for the decomposition reaction for limestone. So here we can write when CaCO3 undergo decomposition, what it may form? CaO plus CO2, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Got it? When calcium carbonate undergo decomposition reaction on heating, when we will heat a limestone or when we will heat the calcium carbonate, it will decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Got it? Here you can find the elements produced are the same as that of the reactant here. Got it? Here they will not form any sodium and chlorine because sodium and chlorine are not at all present in the reactant. Got it? So here we got calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is one decomposition reaction. Next, heat. So the next example is heating of potassium chloride. So we can write the equation for it. Okay, so this is the products we can say these all are the new products, or it's not exactly a new product. These all are the decomposed product we got from the reactant. So what are the decomposed products? KClO3, when it is subjected to heat, it forms KCl and 3O2, means potassium chloride and oxygen. When potassium chlorate is subjected to heat, it will form potassium chloride and oxygen. So potassium chloride and oxygen are the elements of the what? Reactant KClO3 only. So it will split into its respective elements. Next, molten sodium chloride. Molten sodium chloride means when we will melt sodium chloride. Okay, so you can write like this. So when sodium chloride is melted, it will form into its respective elements. What all are the respective elements of sodium chloride? Sodium and chlorine. So when we will melt sodium chloride, it will form sodium and chlorine respectively. Got it? Next, lead bromide. The decomposition of lead bromide. Okay, lead bromide, when it will decompose, it can form lead and bromine. So this is all about the decomposition reaction. Here only some of the examples I have given. It's your turn to find out some more. Okay, for combination reaction also you can find out some more, and for decomposition reaction also you can find out some more, and you can solve it by your own. Okay, need not to balance. Okay, if you cannot able to balance, then leave it. Only find out the combination and decomposition reaction, because balancing I will teach you in the next class. Already I said there are again some more types like single displacement, double displacement, oxidation, reduction. Okay, now I am not going to that detail because it is not given in your book. Gradually you will have that all. Okay, so these all are today's discussion. So again go through this topic, again go through your book, find out some more equation and don't forget to send it to me. Okay, so in our next class we will discuss some more new thing about chemical reaction. We can find here you all might have seen we are getting some what products in combination reaction. We are getting a new product. So when we are getting the new product means when these elements when they are changing to a new product, they will change in their color, or they may change their smell. Okay, or they may also change their state. So that all we will discuss in our next class. Means what happened or what changes takes place when two reactants react to form a product. Okay, so that all we will have in our next video. So till then you keep on revising. Don't forget to revise the topics that we have done. Okay, so that it will be again more clear to you. Got it? So in the next video we will have some more topics. Till then, goodbye and